I'm meteorologist Bobby J. Not a big difference throughout this weekend in terms of our temperatures and conditions. We're going to stay a little bit on the breezy side. We do have a red flag warning in place today for our eastern counties, mainly eastern Klamath County, and that is with the gusty, dry wind. And a fire weather watch is in place for most of our eastern counties as we get through this weekend, as the wind speeds stay on the breezy side and the air continues to stay dry. Could see some gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. We'll, of course, still be dealing with some areas of smoke and haze through this weekend with the bedrock fire bringing in that smoke east of our area and the flat fire bringing it into the west. Now, next week, we're slightly going to start to warm up, but then we see maybe some monsoonal moisture and a little disturbance to bring a chance maybe for some isolated showers and storms, mainly east of the Cascades into late next week. Mid-60s for today on the coastline, becoming sunny. Morning temperatures sitting into the lower 50s here in the West Valleys. Highs getting up into some upper 80s and lower 90s. Some of the hotter temperatures, Northern California, are seeing Happy Camp topping off about 97 compared to 91 here in Medford. And again, a little bit of a breeze, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Could see some gusts as high as 20, but still a little bit stronger in those wind speeds to our eastern counties. Of course, drier air with those humidity levels in the teens, which is why that red flag warning is placed for today. We've got the mid 80s, mid and upper 80s for our eastern counties. And again, not a big change through this weekend. High around 90 degrees, morning lows in the upper 50s, low 60s, and we slightly warm up into the middle half of next week into the mid 90s. A little bit more cloud cover Wednesday and Thursday. I have included that isolated chance for some showers and storms into the middle half of next week for our eastern counties. It's still a ways away, but we continue to see some chances for the last couple of days to our eastern county. So there is that potential, maybe even for some lightning. Although that threat is low, it's still a chance. Breezy those through this weekend. Again, the elevated risk for wildfires. Northern California staying on that breezy to windy side with lower 90s through this weekend, mid and upper 90s into the start of next week. Maybe an isolated storm or two for Wednesday. And the coastline staying into some mid and upper 60s through that 7-day, morning lows in the 50s and a bit stronger wind to start next week.